So basically we just had these posies. Daisy and Umschlanger. We're at the cabanas. We are fixing a couple of things on the Landy. It's actually not the Landy itself, it's the drawers that were shoddily done. And a couple of odds and ends. So I'm super grateful that we got a garage to work at. I don't have to do it at a campsite or anything like that and struggle. So yeah, happy days. Got garage, got body, got tools. Life is good. So this is what we're fixing here. Hear that noise? That is the bottom of the drawer rubbing on a frame, because the drawer was made out of too thinner material. So yeah, we're going to try and put some little support in here, try and make a plan without upsetting our packing and stuff. So yeah, let's give it a go and see what happens.
Happy with the repair?
Yeah boy, let's check it out.
No noise.
Yes, happy days, eh? That's double sweet. So basically we just put in a couple of braces. We put 3 of them in. There's 1, 2 and 3 pop rivets, bit of Sikaflex.
Make sure everything fits.
Yeah boy, very good.
Nicely done.
Hey. So we at Umschlanger Cabanas. We've been hiding out since Monday. It's Thursday now. We were lucky enough to get this place with Jane's dad's last of his timeshare / holiday club. It's actually pretty good timing. Unfortunately, she had to have a hernia operation, so she's inside recovering. So it's pretty much perfect opportunity, perfect timing. Hey, there was a monkey running on the roof. Perfect timing just for her to rest up. And then tomorrow we move to Gabriel's house. We're lucky enough to look after his house till Monday because he's going away, surprising his kids, going to Shelley Beach. That's down on the south coast in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. So yeah, tomorrow we pack up, about a 10-minute drive, not even to his house, and then we're going to be there for a couple of days. So yeah, this is Umschlanger Cabanas. The weather's been terrible, so pretty much just been hiding out, and I've been just doing a couple of things on the Landy and pretty much up and down to the hospital, especially on Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, that's our report from this side. So we all know whose house this is. We are house sitting Gabriel's house for several days. So from Friday to Monday, then Monday we're hitting the road again. This gives us a great opportunity to clean the Landy, adjust the handbrake, sort a couple of little odds and ends out, and yeah, garage to my disposal. Landy's looking sharp, she's super clean, ready to head back up north. Plan is go back to Sordwana and go hang out with Alistair again. Hey guys! Woo! So these are the 4 fearsome. They protect this house and they're super amazing. Jen's inside resting up, and these are her guard dogs. Oh, happy day.